Hey y'all, I picked up the StarCraft Try It Kit from the live with Marvin and Delonda. I unboxed it here and we're going to go ahead and try out some of these projects today. One of them is the light materials. It's a small little satchel. Dark materials, a larger satchel. We can use our Easy Press Mini for those. But they also included a coaster. That's sublimation, so we'll use the bigger heat press for that. I have the Easy Press 2 9x9 from Cricut. The light materials is the smallest project. These are stickers so you can remember your material settings, and I think that's really nice of them. I don't know how much I will order these materials, as again it was a try it kit. The Easy Press Mini, I'll set it to the highest setting. That'll get us between that 375 and 400 degree mark. They included a small piece of parchment paper, the design, and the blank. Alright, I preheated our fabric. I grabbed some Cricut heat resistant tape. Mine arrived pretty crinkled and bent in the packaging, so that's where I was concerned with how it would lay out. So this is our test. I've got the Cricut Easy Press mat, a piece of cardstock copy paper there to protect my mat. We'll use our parchment paper to protect our mini press. I'm thinking we should put something in between it though so that we don't have any leakage. Just grabbed another piece of copy paper here. I don't know if I'll use this, but it's definitely cute. And we don't want to ruin the backside if we can do a second thing with it. The instructions say 30 seconds with good pressure. Here we go. And it says this is a cool peel. To help it cool quicker, I pull the mat away. That mat is designed to actually infuse heat back up into whatever you're pressing. So when you're letting your item cool, take it off the mat. Let's see how we did. It's totally cool. I'm just worried about peeling that image up. So it's not as vibrant as Sublimation, but it's cute. The dark materials, they only gave us that one piece of parchment paper, so I made my own. It says this one is 350, so I'm going to go ahead and turn our press down to the medium setting. And again, will be a cold peel, and it looks like we don't have to press as long for this one. We can see our image is not mirrored. Interesting. So we peel it away and place it, or like it says, use that heat transfer resistant sheet, which I don't think many of us just have those on hand. So the first one we did was the light materials. It has a green backer, and that image is mirrored. The dark materials has a red backer and is not mirrored. I forgot to lint roll. So again, I am using my own parchment paper, but I buy Reynolds, so my brand is the same as the brand they had sent with. That was just that smaller piece. And I want to cover the whole thing. I don't want to leave any press marks, you know? Forgive my nails. I have surgery this week and I'm trying to get them all cleared off before then. So this is medium pressure. So you have the firm pressure that we did with the first one, so I feel like I was really giving it pressure. When they say medium pressure, I guess I just kind of like push it along, right? I'm not putting my back into it, but I'm also not just gliding across. I feel like with the Easy Press Mini, I never know how long I press things for. That's the nice thing about the bigger press, because you have that timer. We have 3 Alexas and not one of them are in this room, you know. I was quite concerned that it would stick to the parchment paper. I have purchased a brand before that did, so I'm very happy to see that didn't happen. Obviously there's no peel, right? Because this was a right side up and we used the parchment paper. There's some defects from how it arrived to me with these light spaces. You can tell that's from where they printed and someone touched it or something during packaging, I'm sure. All right, so next we will get all of our space cleared up, and I will get the Easy Press 9x9, the Easy Press 2 from Cricut. That way it gets all the way up to that 400 degrees for us for the sublimation. All right, y'all, we got the Cricut Easy Press 2 9x9. My Easy Press and my Explorer Air 2 are both green. They gave us the coaster. I feel like this is trash. It's far too thin. This is the butcher paper they included. I've got copy paper down to protect my Easy Press mat. We have got our coaster. Let's get it taped down and go. I don't want to lose any of the image. But it's definitely not cut straight, is it? We're just gonna go for it. I reuse my heat tape, so don't mind me. butcher paper, the design, taped to the coaster. Protecting my mat is copy paper. Let's give it a shot. So the hardest part about doing this without one of the larger heat presses is, of course, we don't want to get any ghosting with our design. We want to go straight up, straight down, as easy as possible. I'm trusting you, StarCraft, and your butcher paper. Don't let me down. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. This says hot peel, but literally that coaster is going to be 400 degrees. Please do not touch that coaster. Please do not touch anything that your Easy Press has touched that can conduct heat. So when you touch a shirt or something, it might be hot to touch, but it's not going to burn your skin off. This will. Just let it cool. Okay, right now I'd say it's been like 2 minutes. And remember I said we could remove it from the mat so that it'll cool quicker. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm not removing the design. I am literally just going to be moving everything over to the table. I'll get the camera moved back over there and then we'll reveal together. Okay, y'all. We are cool to the touch. Obviously, if we had that larger heat press, I think we would have gotten more ink off of there. But it looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, leave a comment, anything you want to say, I am here for it.